3 ways to upcycle your empties. Create your own room diffuser. Fill a serum bottle with an essential oil. Then place bamboo sticks in the bottle. Refill our mists with hand sanitizer. Store your cotton pads.
Three easy ways to upcycle your beauty pods, featuring my favorite, Josie Moran. They work great for carrying jewelry when you're traveling, and the perfect size for your lunchbox. But my all-time favorite is making candles. Seriously, how cute are these? Plus, they make the perfect gift.